take this trade. You see that we left like 3 opportunities, so that we can just take this one because it looks pretty clear. So basically in the markets, everyone is losing money to the patient guy. If you are the patient guy, then you're the one who's going to take all the money. The only changes that I've made is on the EMA, the EMA2 and the EMA5. So we are trading the crossover of the EMA2 and the EMA5 following the direction of the parabolics. Alright, so this trade, we won it. Beautiful. Alright, so learn patience and discipline. That's all I gotta say. And that's what I always say most of the times. And join the mentorship programs. Don't miss out.